Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA on Zoom using an Authenticator app. This extra layer of security helps keep your Zoom account safe. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to zoom.us. Once the page loads, head to the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Now, enter your email address and password, then click Sign In to access your account. Once logged in, go to the Personal section, then select Profile from the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Sign In section, where you'll see an option for two-factor authentication. Click on Turn On to begin the setup process. To enable 2FA, Zoom will request you to confirm your password. Click on Setup and once more, enter your password if prompted. A QR code will then appear on the screen. Open your Authenticator app. Click to add a new account and scan the QR code displayed on your Zoom screen. After scanning, the app will begin generating a 6-digit code for Zoom. Return to your Zoom account and enter the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app. Congratulations, you have enabled two-factor authentication on your Zoom account. Be sure to save the recovery codes displayed on the screen, as these can help you regain access if needed. To make sure everything is working correctly, log out of your Zoom account and then log back in. After entering your password, you'll be prompted to enter a code from your Authenticator app. Open the app, retrieve the current code, and enter it to complete the login. And that's it. You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication for your Zoom account using an Authenticator app. This added security measure will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Thanks for watching and stay secure.